Today I am going to start the ordinal theory of consumers equilibrium. We have already discussed about the cardinal theory. So in case of ordinal theory, we do not take any number. It is the psychological phenomena. That's why Professor J.R. Hicks criticized the Marshallian theory and gave a new theory that is known as ordinal theory or indifference curve analysis. So what is indifference curve? Indifference curve is a graphical representation of two goods which shows the different combination of two goods, and at each level of combination it gives equal satisfaction. Once again, indifference curve is a graphical representation of two goods which indicates the different combination, and each level of combination it gives equal level of satisfaction. So here I have taken the different combination A, B, C, D, E, and the two goods are apple and banana. In the first combination there is 1 apple and 15 banana. So if a consumer wants to increase the more number of apple, it means he sacrifices some bananas. So here the combination is 2 and 10. So he is ready to gain one more apple. Due to that, he is ready to sacrifice banana, and due to this reason the satisfaction level does not change. So you may write or the combination of apple and banana. So in this way the indifference curve is nothing but it is the graphical representation. So we have already discussed about the indifference curve, but there are some definitions that is related to indifference curve. First is the monotonic preference. Monotonic preference refers to a situation in which every rational consumer wants to take only those bundle which number is very high and that will give the maximum satisfaction, because that is the general phenomena of every consumer to gain more and more quantity to get maximum satisfaction. Once again, monotonic preference refers to a situation in which all the rational consumers are ready to take only the higher bundle to get the maximum satisfaction. Second is the indifference map. So indifference map, so look here, that is the indifference map. Suppose here that is the banana and here that is the apple. So there are a set of indifference curve, that is IC1, IC2, IC3 and so on. So a set of indifference curve is known as indifference map. In other words, we can say that the family of different indifference group is known as indifference map. Now come to the marginal rate of substitution. This is the most important because the whole theory is based on the marginal rate of substitution. So marginal rate of substitution is denoted by MRS. So what is here the name is substitution. It means at which rate a consumer is willing to substitute from one goods to another goods. So in that case we can write down here, suppose MRSXY, that is the X and Y is the commodity, then we can write that is delta Y by delta X. But here in this schedule, here we have taken the two commodities, apple and banana. So we may write here MRS that is the apple and banana is equal to sacrifice of banana means change in banana divided by gain of apple, that is the gain of apple. Or we can say that MRSXY is the change in the banana means sacrifice of banana only to gain the apple. So this schedule shows that here a consumer is continuously sacrificing the banana, that is the 15, after that 10, after that 6, after that 3, 1, that is declining, and here the apple is continuously rising 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what it changes takes place? So here we can write MRSBA is equal to nothing because there is no change, but here change 1 to 2. How many apple I changed? 1 apple I changed, but banana 15 to 10 means 1:5. Means it indicates that only to gain 1 apple the consumer is ready to sacrifice 5 bananas. Then here look here 2 to 3. How many apple is gained? Again sir, 1 apple is gained, and the sacrificing of banana is 10 to 6, that is 1:4. Now next 3 to 4, how many banana? 1 banana. Here how much consumer is sacrificing? 6 to 3 means 1:3. Now 4 to 5, how many? 1, and 3 to 1, that is 1:2. So what we find that MRSBA is continuously declining. So one question may be asked from you, why MRS continuously decline? So it is based on the law of diminishing marginal utility. If more and more apple will be gained, the marginal utility of the apple will starts to decline, and more bananas are sacrificing, so number of bananas are continuously declining. Due to that the marginal utility of banana is rising, so at all level they are ready to sacrifice less and less because the marginal utility of banana is rising and the marginal utility of apple is declining. Okay, so is it clear? Once again, marginal rate of substitution states that a consumer is ready to substitute from one goods to another goods in such a way so that there will be no change in satisfaction level. So at all level of satisfaction, that is 1:15 is the same, 2:10 is same, or you can say 1:5, 1:4, 1:3 and 1:2. At all level the satisfaction level is same. So marginal rate of substitution is also known as slope of indifference curve. So MRSXY is equal to delta y delta x. It is known as slope of IC. It also indicates the slope of IC. Here I have taken X and Y commodity, but in the schedule that is apple and banana. So you may write here MRSBA is equal to sacrifice of banana divided by gain of apple, and it will determine the slope of IC, and here the IC slopes here the IC curve is downward sloping. Okay, is it clear?